Accessories in MS Windows 7. Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn the accessories in computer. Now, Windows accessories. What do you mean by Windows accessories? Answer: Windows accessories are small programs that are extremely useful for completing everyday tasks. It can be used for that text editing, painting, playing music and recording sounds, etc. Let's know about these accessories in detail. Have you ever seen this at your home? This is a calculator. Now, why do we use calculator? We use calculator to perform arithmetic operations on number. Suppose if you want to do addition, multiplication, subtraction, a calculator will take few seconds to solve the problem. Now, look at this device. This is a calculator program in a computer. There is no need to buy this. This is a pre-installed program. Now, how we will start this? So let's have some steps. Step 1. Click on the start button. Then click on the all programs. Now click on accessories. Then click on the calculator. You can see the calculator will open in this way. This area displays the area to do calculation, and these are the buttons of calculator. We can do the calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and here is also a type of button that is called equals to. Now, if we want to do calculation, so we have to click on 9, then plus, then click on 3. Now click on equals to. So we will get the sum, that is 12. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. And we will learn about the keys of calculator and the two major types of calculator. So let's begin with these keys. Here you can see number keys and the different signs like division, multiplication, subtraction, addition and equals to. So these different signs are used to do different calculations on the calculator. After opening the calculator, we will get the screen like this. Now we have to click on the view menu and then click the mode that you want. Here you can see the two types of mode, that is standard and basic. Then click the calculator keys to perform the calculation you want. Next we will see the different types of screen on the calculator. So let's have a look. This is called standard basic. After clicking on the standard basic option, you will get the screen like this. Next is scientific. This is scientific mode of calculator. This is programmer, and this is statistic type of calculator. Children, now let's do some simple calculations. So here is the question. Add 8 and 6. Click on 8, then plus, then 6. Now equals to, and you will get the sum, that is 14. Next we will learn about the two major types of calculator, that is unit conversion and date calculations. First we will discuss about Unit conversion. So what is unit conversion? Unit conversion is a multi-step process that involves multiplication or division by a numerical factor, selection of the correct number of significant digits, and rounding. Now, temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body, object, or substance. We use thermometer. You know that thermometer is an instrument. It is used to measure temperature. Clinical thermometer have scales in degrees Fahrenheit and in degrees Celsius. Now date calculation. You all know about your own date of birth. How old are you till today? Can you calculate your exact age? It is lengthsome process to calculate on notebook, but it is very easy with date calculation mode of calculator in Windows 7. So here are some steps to find the age. Step 1. Open calculator and change the mode to date calculation. Step 2. Select calculate the difference between two dates. Step 3. Select from date. At last, press the calculate. Two results displayed. One shows your age with your years, months, weeks and days. Another result shows the total days.